So what is now becoming an apparent obsession by the Jamaica Football Federation to specifically get former Manchester United forward Mason Greenwood to come and play for Jamaica. Even the hiring of the new Reggae Boys coach, Steve McLaren, was linked to his affiliation to Greenwood and him possibly getting the baller to join the Reggae Boys. Of course, the pursuit of Greenwood goes way back, even before those high-profile domestic issues in England. The JFF has been hunting Mason Greenwood like vultures. Let me say this though, Mason Greenwood is a talented player. His skill sets as a baller could definitely benefit Jamaica. But on the other hand, if we have to be chasing and begging and hiring a coach to get him here, it gives an impression of desperation, like we're trying to force the baller to come to Jamaica. I mean, while it would be great to get Mason Greenwood, if we have to beg and beseech and preach and bleach to get him here, then maybe we should just leave it there.